Hello everyone, so in this video I will going to show you and to share some experience and tips kung paano pumunta sa Coron, Palawan and paano mag-book ng tour. Ang unang gagawin nyo guys is magpabook dapat kayo ng tour, and since we are from General Santos City and we get the connecting flight from Jensan to Manila and Manila to Busuanga. Yan yung ginawa namin guys. And then after sa hotel, nung nandun na kami sa hotel, nagpabook kami ng tour from hotel to island. And once nagpabook kayo ng tour, sila na yung bahala maghanap ng tour guide para sa inyo. Finally, after 3 days that we are in Coron, Palawan, we have our first day tour. So nandito na kami guys, papunta na sa aming destination. Sumakay pala kami ng bangka guys, yung D-motor, para makapunta kami sa mga Kayangan Lake, Barracuda Lake, and other some tourist spot. And the most exciting part here guys is umakyat muna kami para marating yung view deck ng Kayangan Lake at bumaba again para mag-swimming sa Barracuda Lake. And finally, we are here at the top of Kayangan Lake. At ito yung makikita mo guys pagdating mo sa top. And after namin ma-reach yung top guys, bumaba na din kami papunta doon sa Barracuda Lake para mag-swimming. So, andito na pala kami guys sa second destination namin, sa Barracuda Lake. Makikita mo talaga ang napakagandang tanawin guys at fresh na air and super cold water, and napakasarap talaga na mag-swim dito. As you can see, hindi lang kami yung nag-swimming dito guys. Sobrang dami namin also na mga tourists na nagpunta kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng place. And also, my first time na nag-swim sa 12 feet. And for me, sobrang lalim na guys. And after namin sa tour, actually guys, marami na kaming napuntahan na mga lake. Kaso hindi ko na videohan, nakalimutan ko. And after ng tour namin, pinakain muna kami ng tour guide. Sila na yung nag-prepare ng food guys because it was already included in the package. So, ang ginawa lang namin is mag-tour and sila na bahala sa lahat. And some of the activities that we experience is kayaking, free diving, but we didn't do that because I'm scared.